Hi guys, how are you? Hopefully you're doing well. My name is Jessie. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am currently walking at the boulevard. Uh, It's a really nice day outside and I wanted to walk outside. I just came from work, by the way. Since I came from work, I wanted to go out for a walk before I go take my daughter out for her appointment. So this is what I'm doing because I have to show up. Okay. Anyways, let me continue walking. Probably bring you with me to her appointment. This one will be a very short video of my day. So basically for work, I work as a hospice nurse, and so I'll go to facilities to see patients for the most part, but there are some patients who live at home. So sometimes I'll go see those ones. Oh, it's so cute. There's people on a date. So cute. So cute. Anyways, I went and saw my patients. They were in a facility, so it was very quick. I was done within 2 hours, and now I am out for a walk. This is one of the parks that I am walking in. It looks like this. That's an ice cream place. And then, so basically this is a loop, and then there's another track. You see that lady over there walking? Yeah. This is called the Merrimack River. And that's a very major university in Massachusetts. That's University of Massachusetts, Lowell. There's several. There's, I think, Boston, Amherst. And of course, there's me out here for a walk. How do I look in the background? I bet I look good. So, another area, let me show you. That's the beach. The river has a little beach area, and sometimes when we were kids, we used to go swim over there. We actually used to go swim. And yeah, so that is, I'm actually taking my walk outside. So far, starting this walk, I had almost 3,000 steps. I should get to 10,000 steps by the end of the day. Yesterday I got to 12, almost 13,000 steps. The goal is 12,000 steps. No, 10,000 steps. 12 is what I usually get to. If my goal in my head is 10,000. I love walking by the water. I love walking in nature. Over here you get like a little bit of both because nature is on this side, the road is on that side. and I always feel refreshed after. That is what I was showing you. They are building a bridge. Anyways, I am done with my walk. Now I'm gonna go and I'm gonna go and pick up my daughter from my baby daddy, and then I take her to her appointment. I am hungry. I wonder if he has a snack. Anyways, let's go. Let's go. Currently driving from the appointment. Tired. I'm stuck in traffic. Let me show you. So we are walking home. My daughter just came from the park.
Mommy,
where she was playing. Yes, you know?
Mommy, can we go to a rest? Here we go.
No, not to a restaurant. We'll go to a restaurant after your dancing.
Mommy,
I
had this tomorrow.
After your recital. After your recital, we go to.
No, to the store, to guacamole.
Yeah, we might go to guacamole. Yeah.
Today is the day, and today is the day I think Jesse leaves. So it's the first day, and then we're going to do my recital tomorrow.
Yes. I don't know. Anyways, we're going to go eat. She's gonna go eat. I'll make chicken that I'm marinating.
I'm going to have hot cocoa.
We're going to have hot cocoa.
Yes, and then I will walk in the treadmill.
You walk in the treadmill?
Yes.
You still have some energy?
First, I need hot cocoa.
One of the nighttime routines is for us to go to the park. I don't know why I followed you here. To go to the park so that we can spend some time outside and also. She's gonna tell me she wants to jump. Jump! 1, 2, 3. Ah! So I got into their house. Right here I have chicken that has been marinating. I left it out on the counter marinating because it was a quick marinade for a couple of minutes. So nataka kuiweka kwa air fryer. So it will air fry for probably, I was getting gloves. It will air fry for a couple of minutes. Like usually it takes like 30 minutes to air fry. So I'll put it in the air fryer so that my daughter can have something to eat, some protein. She's gonna eat gima and yeni, and then she's gonna have the fried wings, air fried wings after. So let's put them in the air fryer. So remove these gloves. First, I'm gonna make you hot cocoa.
Okay.
So it's a 385. I'm just gonna up this 30 minutes. 25 minutes. Let's start with 25 minutes. If I need to add more, I'll add more. And then I have it on air fry. So this is how the chicken came out. I know it looks burnt, but it's actually not burnt. It's the color of the balsamic vinegar. It's like a dark vinegar, so it looks like it's burnt, but it's actually not. And so it's just caramelized. The goal is to show up in this journey. Yeah. The lighting is so bad in my room. Yay! I just hit 45 minutes on the walking pad. Hi. So, I just did my morning walk. Let me pause it. So, as you can see, I did 43 minutes. And I did 4,106 steps, which is a good start. So let me finish that. Nice work. Okay, thank you. The goal is to get to 10K steps every single day. And that is done by being intentional, honestly. Because if I am not intentional about hitting the 10,000 steps, imagine I won't hit it. Because through my everyday life, because like I said, it is almost impossible, because I probably walk 5,000 to 6,000 steps on a regular basis, like if I am not intentionally going out for a walk or making an effort to either go on the walking pad or intentionally walk longer walks. Imagine I won't hit the 10,000. I won't hit it. So right now it's showing that I have 5,000. Let me show you. It's saying that I have 5,000 steps. And with that, now I can hit my 10,000 steps easily. So, what time is it? 1:45. I have laundry, so I'm gonna go put my laundry in the dryer, and then I'm gonna go. First, let's go put my laundry in the dryer. So I finally dressed. This is my favorite summer outfit because, as you can tell, I am a thick girl. So I get really hot really quick. So instead of I wear these dungaree dresses. Let me show you. Actually, you see this one that I have on? I bought two. Tell me why I bought two. Now I have two. Although they look different a little bit because the pattern is different. This one has more flowers. But yeah, I bought two of these dresses. I think they might be two different sizes. Maybe they might be two different sizes. I don't know which size I'm wearing. Here, let me see. Two of the same color. So, and then the other one is this one. This one, they're from Shein. They look like this. It's like a look like this. It's like a dungaree dress. So I bought two of those. And then the other one is this cutie. They're all summer dresses for me to just like wear, lounge around with, and yeah. And then of course, can't miss the orange. This one I liked it because it's like I like the detailing up here. And then I thought I bought a different color of this because I have this same dress. So now I have, sometimes I make such mistakes on Shein. I'll put the same thing twice on my cart, and when I'm clearing it out, I'm not checking. But it still works out because I can gift one to one of my friends. That's what I've been doing. So I'll gift one of the dresses to one of my friends who is similar size as me. Yeah. But I need to go wash my face, brush my teeth. I still haven't done that. It's currently almost 3 o'clock. 3 o'clock. Because I woke up at 11. I woke up at 11:30. Right now it's almost 3 o'clock. It's 2:30. So I'm gonna go brush my teeth. I haven't brushed my teeth. When I woke up, my cousin was in the bathroom. So because she was in the bathroom, I waited for her, and then we started talking as she was packing, and then I got distracted. This is my life. I get distracted, and then I'm like, I went for a walk. I started doing laundry, started my day, forgetting that I haven't washed my face or brushed my teeth. So I'm gonna go do that right now. Let's go do my face routine and stuff like that, and then I do my daughter's hair. I go take out the clothes in the dryer, and then I do my hair. But that was my little Shein haul. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, another dungaree jean dress. I'm telling you, this is like my favorite thing to wear during summer, because all you need is like a boob top. Let me fix it. Like a boob top, like this. Okay, like a boob top, and then you're all set. And then I bought this. I have this one in black, but I got it in pink. It's like dungaree shorts. They're shorts, like onesie. What do you call it? Yeah, onesie. Overall. Jumpsuit. One of them. They are all in that same category. So I bought those for summer. Those are my summer outfits. I don't have to wear anything fancy. As you can see, I have some dress, like that dress is one of my fanciest dresses. I wear it out for events, And then I have the other dresses that I still have, so I didn't have to buy anything fancy. I just needed something to be able to lounge around. This one is not fitting well here ish, but it's okay, it's okay. But this is my whole outfit. This is how I'll wear, because my skin need to breathe. I get super hot. It's hot and muggy during summer, so it's imagine it like Caribbean weather, muggy without the hotness. No, the hotness without the sun being, I don't know, it's just muggy. Yeah. So to help me with not being as hot, I leave most of my skin exposed. And by the end of summer, my skin will be this color. I don't know whether, yeah, my skin will be this color. Instead of this color, it'll be this color by the end. It'll be like this bronzy color instead of like, I don't know whether you can see the difference. So this part will be like this. Yeah. So in my bathroom, I have a loud fan, and that's what I'm saying. I don't know whether you can hear me, but I was gonna do a voiceover anyways. So here I'm brushing my teeth, and then after brushing my teeth, I'll actually wash my face. What a surprise! Washing my face, and I wipe my face with a paper towel, never with a towel, because if you wipe your face with a paper towel, it's cleaner. With a towel, it holds all the germs. So keep that in mind. So over here, I'm starting out with a toner. I do the Korean skincare routine. So basically, I wash my face, start with a toner, and then after toner, I use an essence. Over here, I'm using the snail mucin, and that's the popular one that was on TikTok a long time ago, but I've been using this for over 10 years. Imagine 10 years. Sometimes I'll do 2 pumps depending on how dry my face is. So over here, I think my face was a little bit dry, so I used 2 pumps. And the essence, I don't know what it is, but I know I can feel a difference when I don't use it. And then next, I'm using a snail cream. Snail cream. So on top of the snail essence, I also use snail cream. Kadinoho. Kadinoho cream. And then after the cream, I'll use sunscreen on top. Sometimes I'll use 2 moisturizers, but over here I'm using sunscreen because I was gonna go outside, and you gotta protect that skin from UV rays. So yeah. And then this is an old maguta that I've had for a long time. Oh my God. I think I had it when my daughter was still like young. So I'm putting it on my lips so that my lips are not crusty and dry, and drying it off. So for dinner, I am making salmon, and I am currently marinating it. So I'm gonna use garlic salt, some onion powder. There's a lot of stuff here because I don't have a lot of cabinet space, like in my house. I don't have a lot of cabinet space, so I have to kind of like maximize my storage by using the oven. So these ones belong in the oven, but yeah. Anyways, so I'm gonna marinate this with garlic salt, onion powder, some of this cumin powder, and also need chili, crushed chili, and paprika. And I might also add maybe like seasoning salt. I'll use this one. So basically I make like a crust of the seasoning, because the seasoning is not really gonna go into the salmon. So when you're eating it, you're eating the top, which has the seasoning, and I did season a little bit of the bottom with garlic salt, also so that it doesn't stick onto the foil. Check out my skin, it's so glowy. So that's how the salmon currently looks like, and I might put lemon slices on the top. So this is the crust of seasoning, and then at the bottom, as you can see, there's the garlic salt. So it's spiced at the top, and at the bottom the seasoning will not really get in between the meat. And since the seasoning will not get in between the meat, you have like a crust of seasoning, and then when you're eating it, you feel like the salmon tastes better instead of it tasting bland, because sometimes salmon can be very bland. So that's what we are eating today. Sometimes I'll spray it with olive oil, but I don't feel like spraying the top because it already has enough fat. Well, that's how my salmon looks like. And I'm cooking it. I'm using 375 degrees for cooking throughout. So that's what I'm gonna do. And I'll have both my lunch and dinner ready. Although let me cook an egg. I'll cook an egg. It's a lot of salmon, so there's no way. I'm eating actually a huge piece because I eat some of that one. And I'll pour some of this over the salmon, although it has holes. See, it did not stick. So I'm gonna, that's my piece right there. Although I ate some of it. But that's my piece right there. Guys, so I just ate my gima, but I left over some little gima. I don't know whether you can see. Yeah. I wanted to eat gima for dessert. So I'm adding sugar. 1 teaspoon of sugar into gima idea. So that's what I am gonna do. Gima and milk. I ate most of my food. I left the salmon, so I ate gima and nyeni. Daria gima na nyeni. So as I wash the dishes, because this is what I'm doing. I am currently washing the dishes and cleaning up this area so that it can be clear. As I'm cleaning up, I'm gonna eat gimanaidia because I can, and it's one of my favorite snack. I'm cutting it into little bite-sized pieces. My inner child loves gima and iria. Alright, so let me finish cleaning up. After I finish cleaning up, I go fold the laundry. No, put beads in my daughter's hair, then go fold laundry. Hi guys, it's a different day. That's, you can tell by my hair. Anyways, I just wanted to film an outro to the video because I forgot to do that, and I just noticed it when I was editing this video. If you made it this far, know you're loved, you're valued, and the world is a better place with you in it. And I appreciate you watching my video. Please like, share, subscribe.